Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new fish called Bandit Fish in the latest visit update. First, let's talk about how this look. How First, let's talk about how this fish looks. It looks like this, like this, like this. It has a dominant green color and with orange fins, and it's wearing like a bandana, like this. And in my opinion it looks really cool but also kinda cute. And this bandit fish is an epic rarity fish. This one, it's epic fish, and then you can catch it in Pirate Cove and also in the treasure room, like this one. And for the gear, you don't need the best setup, but make sure to use at least a medium level rod and bait to increase your chances. So just head to the Pirate Cove or the treasure room and use a decent rod and bait and just start fishing until you get this fish. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!